Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the video. Hope you guys do well. Just want to clarify, you guys. I do want to say I apologize for the lack of uploads. Uh, since then I didn't upload a video last week. Since then I didn't upload a video last week, so I do want to apologize for that. So, but also bigger news as well. Mostly, of course, that Integra has been resprayed and has now been completed and now it's finished, which is basically the vehicle had been basically returned to the client last week. So mostly, I didn't take any photos of that. So I do want to say that, my bad as well. But honestly, just wanted to show you guys some photos, not that much stuff. Mostly these last four photos here, or the last five photos you see in the bottom screens here, and it shows the things we did here. Well, it shows things that we did as well. What was the first things that we sprayed and all that stuff. So mostly, let's get around to it. So the first thing we sprayed was the front bumper and the hood, and as well the moldings. This hood was going to be resprayed as well on the top. This was just sprayed first on the bottom. It's going to get flipped over once again to get that stuff as well. Second photo, of course, the main eventer, Backer Integra. Uh, Honestly, just want to say pretty much a big shout out to my dad, to my dad employees, and of course my mom, and to make this car looking good and look really good, and it needed to be cared for because the car had been mostly, of course, been resprayed with a bunch of layers of paint, and never been taken. Well, they probably maybe taken care of, but also pretty much the paint just basically flying off. And this one, with the sealant, with all the stuff we did to the car, and see some minor defects here and there, and fix those up. And to get this car to look really nice on the spray room, it looked really nice as well. With the lighting as well, with the spray room, it's good. Except this one, we need to replace the lights, so it didn't really do it. Well, it did really good on here, but these are coming off, so we gotta replace these sooner or later. But as well. But yeah, the hood, the front bumper, the two doors, the painted door jambs, as well as the hatch and the sunroof. We took our precise care, voice correct, and just make it good and make it last long as well. To this car could be lasting this paint pretty much about 10 years and up as well until all that stuff. But it's gonna look really nice. I seen in the outside once we took it off. It was the day because we sprayed this on 2 weeks ago on Sunday, and on that Monday we saw the car looking very very vibrant. And honestly, it's a beautiful color. I really love the color, and she picked a really good color. My friend picked a really good color for this Integra, so I'm digging it. It's looking nice as well. So I'm just showing the other photos. The rear bumper. This was as well right next to the car. Let me get a water break. All right, good water break. But yeah, most of course this rear bumper was right next to the Integra as well. But honestly, it looks really nice. Digging it. I love the Integra lettering here on the blue with the blue as well. So it looked really nice as well. Other photo, other side of the car, same side here. Fenders, door jamb, quarter panel, all that stuff. Next photo, near the quarter panel. Basically, this is the nice photo right here. I think you can see my mom there. There's me right there taking photo. As well. It was in the nighttime when my dad resprayed this thing, and mostly we were just like it was pretty much we are about to close the shop and basically go home. So pretty much I took some shots on the car and it looked really nice, very beautiful on the time that he resprayed it as well. So yeah, it's beautiful. Just can't say that, just beautiful. And here's the other side as well, near the gas cap opening. This one has resprayed as well. So this was part of the hinge. So that's a pretty good creative that what my mom did on her side, so it's pretty nice as well as the hatch. What I'm talking about near all the jams here, had some problems here with rust, so we fixed that problems and we seam seal it, because the old seam seal with the car was actually rusting and also was cracking as well. So we took that stuff and sanded and seam sealed it first before it been uh, transported. Well, basically get into the spray room as well. But all the stuff, even the little part here that I forgot what the name is, and basically being resprayed as well. Uh, yeah, pretty much also. And also the last one is the BMW. Why not? The rims have been resprayed as well. The nice glossy black rims. They're now not plastic dipped as well. It looks really nice. I really love the color. I mean, mostly of course this car is gonna be as is, because the front bumper all stuff is gonna be taken off by the customer. He said he will leave it like, he said basically leave it like this, and he got all the stuff as well. So basically this car is going to be, basically it's finished. It's gotta be picked up as well, and yeah, just all that stuff. Next couple of days or next couple of videos, I will show you guys the completion of the Tegra, as well as some other vehicles such as this one, this Mercedes that is gonna get resprayed as well, and a little bit more of this Fox by Mustang that I have here in the back of this video. But I just want to leave you guys there, and I want to go to sleep as well. So have a good rest of you guys' day, and have a good rest of life as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.